Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Apple Music app not working or keep crashing on your iPhones. So guys, many of you are complaining about that your Apple Music app is not working properly and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video I will tell you how to fix Apple Music app not working on your iPhones. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to check your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Poor and unstable internet connection can lead to issues with streaming music. After this, then you have to do is update the Apple Music app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Apple Music app. Update often include bug fixes and improvement. So you have to do is simply go to the App Store and search here Apple Music. Tap on search Apple Music. Tap on it. Now tap on Apple Music, and if you see any available update for the Apple Music app on your iPhone, simply update it. After updating, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to simply open the settings on your iPhone, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After this, then you have to do is check your restrictions. Make sure that restrictions are not preventing the use of Apple Music. You have to do is simply go to the screen time, tap on content and privacy restrictions, tap on allowed apps, scroll down, go back, scroll down, and you will see your option allow apps to request to track. Simply tap on it, and you have to do is simply make sure that these all are enabled, or you can simply make sure that allow changes are enabled. After trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reinstall your Apple Music app. To do this, you have to simply go to the Apple Music on your iPhone, tap and hold on it, tap on remove app and delete the app from your iPhone and then reinstall it from the App Store. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Apple Music app not working or keep crashing on iPhone. If this video helps you, then be sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.